Good morning students. Today we shall discuss the rest part of chapter number 7 of geography, that is lifelines of Indian economy. In this chapter we shall discuss today about tourism. What is tourism and what is the importance of tourism in India? Let's start the chapter. Before starting this tourism, I wanted to tell you this is very important topic of the chapter, and it is important for 5 marks question also. Tourism. Tourism means an activity of visiting places, especially in foreign countries or places. I am repeating once again. Tourism means an activity of visiting places, especially in foreign countries for pleasure. Now the question is, why why foreign tourists visit India? Why foreign tourists visit India? Firstly, it is a heritage tourism. Rajasthan, Goa, Jammu and Kashmir and temple towns of South India are important destinations of foreign tourists in India. These places attract foreign tourists, especially for what? Especially for heritage tourism. Then next is medical tourism. Second is medical tourism. As India provides cheap and world class facilities, then so many tourists come to India for getting medical facilities. I am repeating once again, medical tourism. As India provides cheap and world class facilities, so many tourists come to India for what? For gaining medical facilities. Next is business tourism. You all know India is one of the largest market in the world. So millions of people visit India for which purpose? For business. Why foreign tourists visit India? For heritage tourism. Secondly, medical tourism. Third is business tourism. What is heritage tourism? If I am talking about heritage tourism, Rajasthan, Goa, Jammu and Kashmir and temple towns of South India are important destination of foreign tourists in India. All these places attract whom? Foreign tourists in India. Second, medical tourism. As India provides cheap and world class facilities related to medicines and other medical facilities, so many tourists come to India for medical facilities. Then business tourism. India is one of the largest market of the world, so millions of people visit India for business purpose only. Now, next is, then what is the importance of tourism in India? Importance of tourism. There are so many important points I want to discuss with you. First is tourism helps in earning foreign exchange. Whenever foreigners come to India, then there is an exchange of foreign currency. Then it provides direct as well as indirect employment to the people of India. In tourism, so many people are indulged in what? The employment. Sometimes it is direct or sometimes it is indirect employment. Some guides are there to guide the foreign tourist. Hotels are there. There are so many people who are directly or indirectly helping the foreign people, and it means it provides direct as well as indirect indirect employment to the people of our country. Then it also promotes national integration. Clear? Then it supports cottage and what? Cottage and handicraft industry, because foreigners like to purchase these products from our country, because cottage and handicraft, they are specially handmade and they are very beautiful and attractive, and foreigners attract towards cottage and handicraft industry. They purchase things from here. It means it promotes cottage and handicraft industry. After that, it helps in developing the friendly relationship between the other countries. Clear? Once again, importance of tourism. Tourism helps in earning what? Helping in foreign exchange. It provides direct as well as indirect employment to the people of our country. Third, it also promotes the feeling of nationalism also, as well as national integration also. It supports cottage and handicraft industry. Foreigners specially purchases things which are related to cottage and handicraft industry, and in this way it supports cottage and handicraft industry. It also helps in developing friendly relations with other countries. Next topic is trade. Here we shall discuss about trade and international trade. What is trade? The exchange of goods among people is known as what? That is known as trade. Second is international trade. Trade among different countries of the world is known as what? International trade. I am repeating once again. What is trade? The exchange of goods among people is known as trade. Trade among different countries of the world is known as international trade, and it is considered as an economic barometer of a country. Now, what are the main component of a trade? We shall discuss here components of trade. Components of trade are very important. Export and import are components of trade. Components of trade. Export, exit means sending goods outside the country. Import means coming inside the country. Then export and imports are component of trade. The balance of a trade of a country is the balance of a trade of a country depends on what? The balance of trade of a country is the difference between export and import. That's why these two components are very much important. Components of trade are what? Export and import are the component of trade, and the balance between export and import of a trade of a country is the difference between export and import. Now, when the value of the export exceeds then the value of imports, then it is called a favorable balance of trade. Then it is called favorable balance of trade. When the value of export exceeds or increase. When the value of export exceeds then the value of imports, then the value of imports, then it is called what? It is called favorable balance of trade. It is called favorable balance of trade. Then next point is, if the value of import exceeds then the value of exports, then it is called what? Then it is called unfavorable unfavorable balance of trade. Now these 2 points are very much important for us, because when the value of export exceeds then the value of imports, it is called what? Favorable balance of trade. Then vice versa, if value of import exceeds than the value of export, then it is known as what? Unfavorable balance of trade. Clear?